Hi everybody, how are you doing? I'm Mark from Get Knotted Paracord, and today we are going to do the setup for a 4-strand core bracelet. It's quite easy, so here we go. First of all, I found the halfway point of my cord, poked it down through the buckle, and you get your ends, just poke them down through that loop. Pull it up, and that's your cow's hitch at the top. Nice and easy so far. Now what we're going to do, get the cords, poke them down through that buckle, like that. Come on. Yes. Like that. Nice and easy so far. Now with the left hand side, up through the middle, over the top like that. Get the end, poke it up through the buckle again, like that. Get the twist out. So you've got a bit of a loop going on, and you poke the end down through that loop. And then you pull it tight, like that. I'm putting my thumb and forearm finger on the cord like that, and then just pull it tight. And that is your first cow's hitch at the bottom. And we do exactly the same on the other side. Up, over the top, like that. This is where it gets a bit fiddly, especially with where my camera is. I'm going to put
my jig up like that so I can see what I'm doing. It would be easier if I could see what I'm doing, but I'm looking through the camera. I practiced it earlier on. It was nice.
There we go. It does get fiddly because there's not much room. So pull that cord up, like that. Poke the end down through the middle. Put it up, and that's your cow's hitch at the bottom, like that. Now, going to poke the left hand cord up through the top buckle, like that. Come on. Yes. Do it on the other side. Get the tricky stuff out the way first. That's what I say. Come on. Come on. Come on. Done it. It does get a bit fiddly when you're trying to poke the cords up, so what I would do is what I've done here. Can you see? I've kind of melted the ends and then cut them into a kind of point to make it a little bit easier. Right, so now we've done that, what we're going to do, get the left hand cord, bring it under itself, like that, poke the end back through that hole, pull the top, put your thumb and forefinger onto the buckle to hold it in place, and just pull it up, like that. Do the same on the other side. Goes underneath, back through itself, pull on the top, cinch it up, and there's the top and there's the bottom. Nice and easy. Then you can start on whatever you weave you want to do. Right, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss a thing. And for another quick tip on how to put a cow's hitch on a buckle, check out this video here. Otherwise, keep yourself safe everyone, wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.